So in this video here, I'm just going to show you what to do here. So we so we're doing a new project where we are also adding some of these design bundles because we are long story, but we're growing our design library um, because we have some other projects we're going to put our designers on, so we didn't have so anyway, um, some of them need additional work though. So there's a column here that says more work needed from design team. And you can go to the Dropbox. There's a folder called bundles. And then you can go to bundles. And then you can go to let's see, 50. So you look for 56. Why am I not seeing that? Sort. Oh, here we go. It's down here. 50. No. Maybe done. Oh, here we go. It's right here. So you go to SVG because we need SV. So we need them to be SVG files. So here you'll see that they're all in one file, but these are all different designs. See? I mean, these are all part of a design together, but they're all their own unique designs. So we're in need of doing each of these files as their own file. So this one here should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 files, it looks like. But if you see something else too that you could do, for example, like, if you see something that looks good, you could always, do another design for it. So for example, like I think love, right? I think that could be I think you could create another design out of that. And then, that could be, and then, you could, use that to create another design. So, I mean, that's one thing you could do in my opinion, because I think that would look good as its own design by itself too. Or even just, you could do the same thing with this here, where, those, you could do Command C, and then you could do a similar thing. I think that, I meant to do Command V. You could have that be its own design. So I think that looks kind of good. So, yeah. Let me know if you have any questions. Oh, I'll show you a couple more examples real quick. So let's see how I do X out of that, but I'm not going to save it. 125 would be another thing. Will be similar as well. So this one's probably not done. It's probably, this one's right here. Yep. So it looks like, yeah, it looks like under the SVG, they're all their own, but these need to be individual. But there's also like other stuff like this, I think. Other design formats if that's easier, like the DXF. On some of them, they just have various formats. Then 96, probably similar thing. Looks like it's in here. '96. Yep. So it'd be, well, actually maybe not. Let me see what it says. It says, okay, let's see what this is. 2730. Okay, so this one probably just has all of them in one file, so that's not a big deal. Yeah, that's not a big deal because these are all already over here. So, I think, yeah, because these are all already on here. So yeah, so that's not a big deal. Well, actually maybe not. There are some on here that aren't on here. Yeah, so we may need to actually do these. I'll keep this here. But yeah, so for example, like these here would all be fine. But then you would just need to create additional versions for these. Well, for the ones that aren't out here. So for example, like I don't see the deer head, so you'd probably need to do one for the deer head. I don't see one for the oh yes it is. They actually might all be there. 5, 10, 25. Actually, no, there's only 21 here, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Actually, never mind. They're probably all there. So that one I don't need. That one you wouldn't need to worry about. Let me see if there's another example though. Oh, this one here. So this one here I think was showing up funny for people. Well, I'm gonna pull it up. Or actually, this one here. So this one here is, I think it had some sort of background in the files on some of them. So let me see, be back here. Maybe it's done. Yeah, so they're not cropping properly because I think there's maybe some kind of background to them or something. Yeah, see, there's just probably something weird up in the design. I mean, on some of them, yeah, it just seems like that, like this one here. Oops. So I don't know, but anyway, there's just something weird going on with the designs. Just want to, see if you can figure out what's going on with them. And then one more I was going to show you was this right here. That's what this one shows. Yeah, so these here I think has some kind of weird background too. Because anyway, we just have an automation going where it's, where a black file turns white and a white file automatically turns black. So some of these, let's see, I don't think I have an example. So let me pull up this. So basically here it was, to show an example of what it was doing earlier, was this, where it's almost like there's some kind of background to them, where it's, creating a background, when instead it should, create something like this, where it's white and black, So I'll show you one more example. I was going to show you this one here, 121. So this one here was kind of doing a similar thing. Let's see, where would this be? 121. Actually, let's see. Oh. Actually, this one here, don't worry about. I know what's going on here, I think. But anyway, let me know if you have any questions on any of this. Is there anything I can help to clarify? Oh yeah. Okay, yeah. Actually, so for this one here, we would ideally like to get rid of or to create a version where there's no black box, I think. So I think that, let me see, is that what this is? Yeah, actually that's what these are. So actually, yeah, actually I don't think we need to worry about that. Where's the crab? Yeah, these are the same design. So yeah, actually don't worry about that. Actually, why is that? Oh, actually, you know what? These do need some work. So okay, yep. So actually, the work that these need is these need the symbol of these. So, for example, then you can use. They need to say. So, for example, let's see. This one here says cancer. So you need to find the same one, and it would also need to say cancer right here. But yes, let me know if you have any questions. And again, we'd like these saved as SVG files, please. Thanks.